What's up everybody, it's Eddie here, and today we're going to learn how to curve text in Illustrator. So let's get started. Number one, it's Effect, Warp, and then Arc. Now obviously from here you do get some options. It's not as complex as some of the other techniques I'm going to show you today, but it gets the job done. It's very simple. You get quite a few options here. If you want a bulge effect, sort of like I think like the Netflix logo has, you could kind of achieve that here. It really depends on sort of what you're creating, but as a way to begin this tutorial, I think it's probably the easiest way to create curved text in Illustrator. So that's number one. Now let's move on to number two. Number two is a little bit more complex. So with your text selected, if you want to go to Object, Envelope, Distort, then Make with Mesh. If we keep it to say 4 rows, 4 columns, default, then basically it creates a mesh around your text, allowing you to manipulate with the direct selection tool. So if you press A, you can also get that tool up. It basically allows you to manipulate a few more points on your text. So if you want to be a little bit more meticulous with the stuff that you're distorting or manipulating, then you can. So this is why number two is kind of a little bit more advanced, because you can create some kind of very cool text effects just with this alone, really. And then of course you can go into the settings and kind of change things around a little bit, mess with the fidelity. Not that you really need to. I'd probably keep things default, but yes, you can also distort pattern fills, distort linear gradient fills, and yeah, it's a little bit more complex than number one, but that is number two really. Okay, here we are, number three. If you want to press L, that'll bring up the ellipse tool, and basically if you just want to draw out any sort of ellipse, it doesn't need to be perfect, and then just kind of bring this down a little bit. Take that off right there. Go to your text tool and then grab the type on a path tool, and what you'll find is if you click anywhere on this path, you should generate some text. We'll just pop in Eddie Creative. And yeah, this is really the third way, and probably one of the main ways in which I typically do this. So that's it for today. I know it's a quick and easy tutorial, but hopefully you've learned something today. So yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.